The MOUNTO 150 Pint Dehumidifier is engineered with a high-performance Panasonic compressor, making it an excellent choice for efficiently extracting moisture in water damage restoration projects. This versatile dehumidifier is well suited for large spaces like basements and warehouses, ensuring they remain dry and comfortable with its impressive capacity of 150 pints per day at saturation. Its compact and stackable design allows for easy transportation and storage, optimizing space usage in both residential and commercial settings. The built-in pump facilitates convenient water drainage to any desired location, while the memory restart feature ensures the unit resumes operation seamlessly after power interruptions. Users will appreciate the LED display that provides clear visibility of humidity levels and settings, along with a 25-foot power cord and drain hose that enhance installation convenience. Overall, the MOUNTO 150 Pint Dehumidifier combines functionality and user-friendly features, making it a reliable solution for maintaining optimal humidity in various environments.